The wall of water that swept through Toowoomba caught many by surprise.
There really is just utter devastation here on the ground.
Emergency services have been pushed to the brink. They've been unable to gain access to people.
Today, Queenslanders will farewell the first of 20 flood victims. Funerals will be held for Donna Rice and her 13-year-old son, Jordan.
Looking back at what we had, time is so deceiving, and in the end, through every bend, we never tried retreating. You must know how to let go. And now we close our eyes, remember all the time. It's never easy closing the door, and it's hard to say